College campuses, the place where students like you spend the majority of their everyday life. However, much of them don't pay attention to their surroundings at all. But if we were to change everything dramatically at once, would we see how important all of it really is? Would you have thought your campus can change this much in just a few weeks?
You spend approximately 960 days at college for a bachelor's degree, but how much do you really know about the flora and fauna of your campus? Do you notice how it enhances your college experience each day you are there? The majority of people surveyed agree that the atmosphere on campus is positively affected by the wildlife.
Many colleges focus on the diversity of its students, but the diversity of other species is just as important. Without diversity, the different biomes or areas of different vegetation would not exist on Wesleyan College campus. If there were not a variety of biomes, the number of different species would greatly decrease due to the lack of habitat. It is important for a college to keep a variety of native plants on campus so that there will be places for the animals to live.
When habitats are decreased, there may not be a sufficient amount of resources to sustain the number of animals that once lived there. If the numbers in a species decreases, a bottleneck event may occur, causing a number of alleles to greatly decrease. When the number of alleles decreases, hidden alleles may start to show on the phenotypes of the species. Sometimes they are negative traits that can harm the population by making them asymmetric or deformed. Some man-made structures on campus harm the wildlife here. An example is the brick wall around our wooded area. It may cause animals to be cornered by predators, or prevent small animals from being able to move to a new area, creating a smaller gene pool like the bottleneck event we talked about before. It may be beneficial to make a corridor or a place for the animals to cross safely in order to breed with other individuals.
It would be beneficial for both humans and animals if we can find a way to coexist in harmony instead of destroying habitats. We all know that college can be very intense and fast-paced, so every student should have a way to relieve some tension, and approximately 92% of the surveyed students say that when they are stressed, being outside around the flora and fauna of campus helps them relax.
Each campus has plants and animals that are native to the area. Here at North Carolina Wesleyan College, there are many native plants and animals. Some of the most prevalent animals you may see are deer, hawks and other birds, ants, and squirrels. All of these animals contribute to the diversity of our college campus. Without predators, the deer or squirrels may overpopulate and catch a disease or overflow into human settlements.
The atmosphere on campus is changed by the plants and animals around us. Many people think it is contributing in a good way. However, few disagree. In our survey, we asked people whether they felt it would contribute or not. Some of the disagreeing answers were: agreeing answers, on the other hand, said, ultimately, the question remaining is, how do you think the flora and fauna around you affects you as well as other students? Do you appreciate the diversity and ecosystem that surrounds you and your entire campus and student body?